My name is Emily Anderson, and I'm a workers' compensation attorney at RSH Legal. Right now, there are identical bills in the Iowa House and Senate that propose extreme changes to Iowa's workers' compensation system. These bills go too far and need to be stopped. The bills will hurt injured Iowans. In fact, the bills will hurt the most injured among them. These bills need your attention right now. Committee votes are happening today. I have represented injured Iowans for 8 years. This system is their lifeline. It won't be under this new legislation. The reason that we have workers' compensation in Iowa is because employers and employees struck a bargain decades ago. Employers pay for medical care and lost wages if an injured worker gets hurt on the job through the workers' compensation system. In exchange, workers are prohibited from suing their employers for negligence that caused their injuries. Employers forfeit their right to a jury trial and forfeit their right to ask for damages for things like pain and suffering. Over the years, insurance companies have denied and delayed the benefits owed to injured Iowans. Medical care and wages. That is why injured workers come to me. Not for a big payout, not to cash in a lottery ticket. They come to me because they need help getting money to pay for their light bills and their mortgages. They come to me because they need help to get quality medical care so that they can heal. This legislation places extreme barriers between injured workers and the benefits they need to survive. Workers' compensation insurance premiums in Iowa are not too high. They are right in the middle of other states. If you think this legislation does not affect you, you're wrong. If you are an Iowa taxpayer or if you purchase private health insurance, this legislation will affect you. This legislation seeks to shift the responsibility of paying for medical care and lost wages from employers and insurance companies to private health insurance companies and government benefits like Medicare, Medicaid, and Social Security disability. You will foot the bill for that shift in costs. This extreme legislation is being rammed through without a thorough investigation or review into Iowa's workers' compensation system. If there are changes to be made, they should be thoughtful, they should make sense, and they should be balanced. Don't be fooled. This legislation is not a small change. These aren't small tweaks. This legislation proposes a monumental change to our workers' compensation system, and it will hurt injured Iowans. I'd be happy to talk to anyone about this bill, and I urge you to contact your House representatives and senators today and tell them to vote no to the workers' compensation bills. There will be a link on this page for you to click and tell your legislators to vote no to this workers' compensation legislation. Thank you.